ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरोहरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रन् वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं चक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिर्व्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരോ രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, get started. So Nikki, Amuchechi, can you say that I think we did 21, right, last? Or
Sure.
yeah, so 21. So if you can do that, and then Suja, can you do 21? Okay. And then Shobha, you and Uma can be student. I know Uma is going to join in a few minutes. So, okay. All right, Amuchechi. Yeah, yeah.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavridanamni varshe Gauri pradhanavanidā janamatra bhaji Sarvena mantranudibhi samubhasyamanam Sangarshanatmagamadhishwara samsraye tvam Bhadrashvanamaga ilavrida purva varshe Bhadrasravobhirishibhi parinuyamanam Kalpandagooda nigamodharana praveedam Dhyayami devahaya shirshatanum bhavandam Dhyayami dakshinagade harivarsha Prahlada mukhya purishai parishevyamaanam Uttunga shanda dabala kritimega shuddha jnana pradam Naraharim bhagavan bhavandam Varshe pradiji lalidatmanike dumale Leela vishesha lalidasmida shobhanangam Lakshmya prajavati sudaishcha nishevyamanam Tasya priyaya dhritakaamatanum bhaje tvam Ramye hyudiji khalu ramyakanamni varshe Tadvarshanatamanuvarya saparyamanam Bhaktaiga valsalamamalsarahil subandam Malsyakritim bhuvananatha bhaje bhavandam Varsham hiranmaya samahvayamautaraham Asinamadridhriti karmada kamadhangam Samsevate pidrigana pravaroryamayam Tam tvam vajami bhagavan parachinmayatman Kinjottereshu kurushu priyayatharanya Samsevido mahidamantranudiprabedaihi Damshtagragrashtagana prishtagarishtabashma Tvam pahi vijnanudayajnavarahamurte Yamyam disham bhajadi kim purushakya varshe Samsevido hanumada dridabhakti bhaja Sita Virama Paramadbudharubashali Ramatmaga Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu Sri Naradena Sahabharada Ganda Mukyaihi Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nudibis Samubhasyamanaha Akalpakalamikha Sadhu Janabhirakshi Narayano Narasakha Paripahi Bhuman Klaksharkarubamayi Shalmala Indurubam Dvibe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vannirubam Kraunjemburubam Athavayumayam Chashake Tvam Brahmarubamayi Pushkaranamni Lokaha Sarvairuvadi Birudu Pragarairgrahescha Puchchadigeshwavayesh Avayaveshwabhip Kalpyamanaihi
Can you say that again? The second line? Puchchadi keshva vayaveshvabhikalpyamanehi.
Sarvairuvadi Birudu Pragarairgrahescha Puchchadigeshwavayaveshwabhikalpyamanaihi Tvam chimsumara vapusha mahatamubhasyaha Sandhyasu Rundinaragam mama sindushayin Padala mula bhuvisheshatanum bhavandam Lolaiga kundala viraji sahasra shirsham Meelambaram tridahalam bhujagangana bhirjushtam Bhaje haragadan gurugehanatha.
Very good.
Rajesh, I have a doubt. So in the 10th and the whatever and the Plakshek Rupamai and the line right? Adoda second line la Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vahni dane half ha dane is one.
Half ha Vahni Rupam.
Yeah, okay.
Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavritanamni varshe Gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sarvena mantranutibih samupasyamanam संकर्षणात्मकम् अधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम् भद्राश्वनामक इलावृत पूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिर्परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरण ध्यायामि देव हरशीर्षतनुं भवन्तं ध्यायामि देव हयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तं ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषै परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिम् एकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन्तं वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम् रम्ये ह्युतीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमानं भक्तैकवत्सलम् अमत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम् वर्षं हिरण्मय समाह्वयमौत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकर्मटकामटाङ्गं संसेवते पितृघन प्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन् ஒரே நிமிஷம் தம் துவாம் பஜாமி பகவன் பரச்சின்மயாத்மன் किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययादरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्र नुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्टाग्रगृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मक परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसक परिपाहि भूमन् लाक्षेर्करूपमयि साल्मल इन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामणि वह्निरूपं क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपमतवायुमयं शशाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः सर्वे ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेषु शुभीर எனக்கு அந்த இடம் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க ராஜேஷ்
first say the first line again and then I'll fix the second line.
Okay. सर्वै ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च Okay. प्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेषु அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த இடம்
வயவேஷுன்னு சொல்லாது அது வயவேஷ் வபி கல்பியமானேஹி.
Okay.
I think the vayaveshuna then the next line becomes different, like next word becomes different. So because it's merged, I think one bookla I don't know if they separated it, but
தனித்தனியா இருக்கு. அபிகல்பியமானேன்னு இருக்கு.
That's right. Yeah. So puchadi keshva vayavesh babi kalpyamanehi change சொல்லும்போது
okay puchadi keshva vayaveshvadi kalpyamanehi
correct
tvam okay त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः सन्ध्यासुरुन्दिनरकं मम सिन्धुशायिन् पातालमूलभुवि शेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिर्जुष्टं भजे हरगथान् गुरुगेहनाथ.
Very good. Okay. I see Uma and Janaki have also joined. Uma, can you be the student today?
Sure.
Okay.
In the chapter?
29.
Okay.
Okay. So Uma and then Shobha. So I think last time, I think we finished 3, right? If I remember right. Anybody? We finished 2? Okay.
2. We finished 2.
Okay. All right. So let me chant the first 2 and then we'll start with the third one. Shri Vishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Udgachyatastavakarad-amritam haratsu dhaiteshu tana sharanananuniya devan sadyasthirodhadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalahaditija babuvuho shyamham ruchapi vayasapi thanum tadhanim praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam पीयूष कुंभकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णा कुला प्रतियुस्त्वदुरोज कुंभे. So I think where we left last time was, that Mohini avataram itself happens, right? So the asuras were quarreling, and then the Lord comes in form of a beautiful woman, and then the asuras then forget all their quarrel and they start going after this woman. That's where we left in number 2. So third, Khatvam Mrigakshi Vibhajaswa Sudhami Mamiti Arudaraga Vivashana Biya Chatomun Vishwasyate Mai Katham Khulathasmi Daitya Ityalapannapi Suvishwasithanathanihi. So let's get to the page. Okay. So when the Mohini avatar has happened, now the asuras, right, they stop quarreling and they start coming after this beautiful lady. So then they're saying, Khatvam, who are you? Mrigakshi, right? So they're referring to like a lady who has eyes like a deer, right? So like so beautiful, she has eyes like a deer. So Khatum, who are you? And then they say, and they beg to her, Sudam Imam, Sudam is referring to nectar. So this nectar, Vibhajasva, you distribute. Nagala, we are all fighting here. Why don't you, O beautiful woman, distribute this nectar amongst us? And then they are so Aruda Shaga Vivashan, they are so overcome with passion, they kind of give the quarrel and they give her the nectar and say, why don't you distribute the nectar amongst us? So on the Sametla, like if you immediately accept it, it just feels like there is a motive. So what Mohini says in this case is she says, Kulatasmi, Daitya, O Daityas, O Asuras, I'm a Vaishya Stri, right? I'm not of the highest caste. I'm a Vaishya Stri. So how can you, Mai Khatam Vishwasate, how can you trust a person like me who is a Vaishya Stri to be able to do all this for you, right? And then by saying this, Iti Alapan, by saying all this, Subishwasitanatani. So the Lord now made them. So by saying, no, I'm not going to do all this, the Asura said, no, it's okay. You have to do this. So they start trusting her more. And then they give the nectar to Mohini to say, why don't you distribute the nectar amongst us? That's what is happening in 3. So, Khatvam Mrigakshi Vibhajasva Sudam Imamithi. So next line la and the Thya irundhunaka, you remove the Thya and first line make it Sudami Mam Ithi, small t. Okay, Sudam Imamithi, comma. Next line, remove the Thya and make it A, double, like not just A. So A. Aruda Raga Vivashan Abhiya Chatomun. Aruda Raga Vivashan Abhya Chatomun. Then Vishwasyate Mai Katam Kulatasmi Daitya, comma. So Chela books sometimes they might have Daityaha, but I checked it. If you have Daityaha, you can remove the visarga. It's just Daitya. So Kulatasmi Daitya, comma. Ityalapannapi. So double in. So Ityalapannapi Suvi Swasitan Athanihi. Swasitan Athanihi. Okay. So first line number correction. So Katvam Mrigakshi Vibhajaswa Sudhami Mamiti Aruda Raga Vivashana Biya Chatomun Vishwasyate Maikatam Kulatasmi Daitya Ityalapannapi Vishwasitanathanihi.
Atvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudhami mamiti Arudha raga vivashana bhiya chatomun Vishwasyate mai katham kulatasmi daitya Ityalapannapi suvishwasitanatanihi Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudhami mamiti Arudha raga vivashana bhiya chatomun Vishwasyate mai katham kulatasmi daitya Ityalapannapi suvishwasitanatanihi.
Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudham imam iti Arudha raga vivashan abhiyachatomun Vishwasyate mai katham kulatasmi daitya Ityalapannapi suvishwasitan atanihi. Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudham imam iti Arudha raga vivashan abhiyachatomun Vishwasyate mai katham kulatasmi daitya Ityalapannapi suvishwasitan atanihi.
So correct. So you said it absolutely correct only. But I think eventually chola chola, as you increase your pace, you don't have to explicitly say Sudam Imam Iti Shubhishwasitan Athanihi. Other explicit chola venda. I mean, this is still the right way only, but when you're saying it fast, you can just kind of, it'll all just merge eventually.
Okay.
Okay. So stanza 4. Modhat sudha kalashameshu dhadatsu sattvam duscheshtitam mama sahat bhamite bruvana pankti prabheda viniveshita deva dhaitya leela vilasa gatibis samada sudham tam. So Modhat Sudha Kalasham. So the Sudha Kalasham is the pot. Sudha is referring to the nectar. Modhat, very happily, right? So they very happily, the Asuras, Dadatsu, they gave it Satvam. They gave it to the Lord, who's in the form of Mohini, and said, here, take it. So then Mohini says, Duscheshritam mama sahadvam. She says, whatever wrong deeds, whatever wrong things I have done in the past, please forgive me, ignore all that, but I'll come and help you out. And then Deva Daitya Viniveshita. So she took the Devas and the Asuras together, right? She said, I'm going to distribute equally among all of you. So she calls the Devas and the Asuras. Pankti Prabheda. Nama marriage we say Pandi Podradhu, we say, right? Pandi Podradhu. So Pankti means to make people sit in separate rows, right? So Pankti Prabheda. So she made the Asuras sit in one row. They made the Devas sit in one row. And then Samada Sudam Tham. So she said, okay, and she starts distributing the nectar, Samada, in equal share. Leela Vilasa Gatibi, in a very charming way. So, because she's a very pretty, attractive woman, and she wants to keep them, the Asuras, engaged in that. So, in a very charming way, Mohini then takes the pot and then she starts distributing the nectar. So, Modhat Sudha Kalashameshu Dhadatsu Satvam, comma, Dushcheshtitam Mama Sahadvam iti Bruvana. So Sahadvam iti Bruvana. You can say it as Sahadvam iti Bruvana. The next line, Pankti Prabheda Viniveshita Devadaitya, comma, Leela Vilasa Gatibihi irukku. You can put a is there. So Leela Vilasa Gatibis Samadas Sudham Tham. Modhat Sudha Kalashameshu Dadatsu Satvam Dushcheshtitam Mama Sahat Vamite Bruvana Pankti Prabheda Viniveshita Devadaitya Leela Vilasa Gatibis Samadas Sudham Tham.
मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा पङ्क्तिप्रभेदविनिवेशितदेवदैत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदाः सुधां ताम् मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा पङ्क्तिप्रभेदविनिवेशितदेवदैत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदाः सुधां ताम्
मोदात सुधा कलशम् एषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुष्टेष्ठितं मम सहत्वमिति ब्रुवाना पङ्क्तिप्रभेदविनिवेशितदेवदैत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदाः सुधां ताम् मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहत्वम् इति ब्रुवाना पङ्क्तिप्रभेदविनिवेशितदेवदैत्या लीलाविलासगतिभिः समदाः सुधां ताम्.
Okay, so stanza 5. Asma swiham pranayinityasureshu teshu josham stiteshvata samapya sudham sureshu tvam bhakta loka vashago nija rupametya swarbhanumarda paripitha sudham yalavihi. So because the Mohini has to trick the asuras, she has to first make sure that they are believing her. So the way she acts, so the asureshu, the asuras were thinking that Asmasu iyam pranayini, she likes us the most. So the asuras are discussing among themselves, saying, you know what, I think this Mohini definitely likes us the most, and so we are going to get the better share of the nectar. So they are all kind of discussing that way. And then Stiteshu, they are all quietly sitting and waiting for the nectar to be distributed to them. But what happens is Samapya Sudham Sureshu, but the Lord finishes distributing the nectar amongst the Devas, completely finishes distributing the nectar amongst the Devas, because Tvam Bhakta Loka Vashagaha, because those are the ones who are your devotees, right? So the Lord has come to help the Devas. So while the Asuras are patiently waiting, thinking Mohini is going to help, he completely distributes the nectar amongst all the Devas. But when this was happening, there was one Asura, right, called as Swarbhanu. So this one Asura called Swarbhanu somehow feels that something is not right, because this Mohini is spending, is coming to the Devas, and he kind of goes and figures out what's happening, and he thinks something is wrong. So he uses he has magic powers. So he changes his Rubam, and then he sits like a Deva in between two, like a Deva between two other Devas. So between Surya Deva and Chandran, he goes and sits. Swarbhanungra, this Asuran sits. So, and then when Mohini is distributing the nectar, he gets a couple of drops of nectar, and that Asura consumes it, right? But at the time when the Devas find out that this is actually an Asura who is in a Deva form, and then they let Mohini know. So when that happens, so here Bhatripat says, Nija Rupam Etya. So your original form. So now what is the form of Mohini? Now the Lord takes his original form, which is of Mahavishnu, and then Swarbhanum Ardha Pita Sudam. So he takes the discus, and the Swarbhanu, he chops his head off, or cuts him into two, right? So that Asura then dies. So Anda Swarbhanu, but because he had already consumed a few drops of nectar, his head was still immortal, and the rest of his body was actually dead. So Avaladan Bhattacharya has only said only that much in this. But when you go and research, then they'll say, oh, they took, because the snake, the body of the snake still can live after, its head gets chopped. So they took the snake's body attached to the head, and Rahu, Ketu, there's a separate story. That's how Rahu, Ketu, and the story is there. But inge adala only discuss all it is said is when this happens, you took your original form and then you kill that Asura Swarbanu, right? So that's all is happening here. So asmasviyam pranayini thya sureshu teshu, comma, josham stiteshvata samapya sudam sureshu, tvam bhaktaloka vashago nijarupam etya, comma, swarbhanum ardhapari. So if you want, just for convenience, you can now, you already remember that thing. It's swarbhanum ardhaparipita sudam vyalavihi. But to change the chunumbu, you can say swarbhanum ardhaparipita. You can say it together, but already remember it. Swarbhanum ardhaparipita sudam vyalavihi. Asmasviham pranahini sureshu teshu josham stiteshvata samapya sudham sureshu tvam bhakta loka vashago nijarupametya swarbhanumardha paripita sudham vyalavihi.
अस्मास्वियं प्रणयिनीत्य सुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वथ समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुमर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलावीः अस्मास्वियं प्रणयिनीत्य सुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वथ समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुमर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलावीः
अस्मास्वयं प्रणयिनित्यसुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वथ समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुमर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलावीः अस्मास्वयं प्रणयिनित्यसुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वथ समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुमर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलावीः.
Stanza 6. त्वत्तसुदाहरणयोग्यफलं भरेषु दत्त्वा गते त्वयि सुरै खलु ते व्यगृह्णन् घोरेतमूर्च्छतिरणे बलिदैत्यमाया व्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिहा विरासीः. So after the
previous one, I just wanted to ask the second line, Josham Sthiti Deshvata, is it? How do you say that?
Josham Stitesh Vata. Stitesh means to just sit there, right? Reside there. Stitesh Vata.
Okay. We have one T in between. I don't know why.
But what is the next word then? Like, what do you have? Josham?
It's written like Sthiti Deshvata. I don't know why. Or am I reading it wrong?
It should be Stiteshvata.
Stiteshvata. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So after this happens, right, after Swarbhanu is killed, so Gate Tvai, the Lord now disappears. So Phalam, Yogya Phalam Dattva. So having given the Asuras the right appropriate result for what they have done, because they stole the nectar away from them, the Lord left. And when that happens, the Asuras and the Devas started fighting with each other. And when that is happening, the Bali Daitya Maya, so the Mahabali, who we learned in next chapter, 30th, right? So that Mahabali is a very big Asura who's also a magician. So he put his magic, and then all the Devas then fainted, right? Because he just kind of put a spell, and then Devas fainted. And then again, Tvamiha Avirasihi. The Lord again appears now in this case. So in the Avataratla, like the number of times like it is coming to lift the mountain and bring the mountain. So again, when that happens, the Lord comes again here. So Tvattas, so because it's a Visarga there and Sudha is there, you can put a S there. So Tvattas Sudha Harana Yogya Phalam Pareshu, comma, Datva Gate Twai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan. Goreta.
Rajesh, sorry to interrupt. Surai, after Surai, did you say anything?
Surai, next line, a Khalu rukliya. So you put ik in between instead of Visarga, right? So Surai Kalute Vyagrinnan.
Rajesh, in the book, I don't know, Datva is coming as part of the first line. I don't know. Should I put the Datva in second line, as you said?
Yeah, I don't know why it is in the second, or say first line. I don't know. Yeah, so move it to the second line if you can.
Sure.
Goreta Murchati Rane, put a comma after Rane. Bali Daitya Maya, put a plus. Vyamohite Suragane, and then put a comma after that. So we'll say Bali Daitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane, comma, Tvamiha Virasihi. Tvattas Sudaharana Yogya Phalam Pareshu Datva Gate Tvai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan Goreta Murchati Rane Balidaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Tvamiha Virasihi.
Tvattasudhaharana Yogya Phalam Pareshu Datva Gate Tvai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan Goretha Murchitarane Balidaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Tvamiha Virasihi.
Uma, sorry. Rendu irukudhu. One in the third line, the Murchati. Do you have something else?
Tirpi cholunga?
Murchati.
Okay.
And then the first line lavande Tvatta Sudha Harana Yogya. In the Fa, Sanskrit technically Fa is not there. Okay. So it is Pa, regular Pa. Okay. And then when the Fa vandudnaka, you put that Pa with more emphasis. So Phalam. Right?
Okay.
So it's still not, you cannot say it as Pa. It is just Pa only, but with more emphasis. Pa,
okay.
Pa. Okay.
Tvattasudhaharana Yogya Phalam Pareshu Datva Gate Tvai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan Goretha Aina Chanalingaga?
Murchati.
Murchati, okay. Goretha Murchati Rane Balidaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Tvamiha Virasihi. You know what it's called?
That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Got it.
Tvatta Sudaharana Yogya Phalam Pareshu Datva Gate Tvai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan Horetu Murchati Rane Balidaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Tvamiha Virasihi. Tvatta Sudaharana Yogya Phalam Pareshu Datva Gate Tvai Surai Khalute Vyagrinnan Horeta Murchati Rane Balidaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Tvamiha Virasihi.
Right. Stanza 7. Tvam kalane mimatamali mukhan jagandha shakro jagana bali jambavalan sapakan shushkarda dushkaravade namuchau chalune phenena narada gira nyaruno ranam tvam. So here again the fight is now happening. So whole bunch of asuras get killed. So here the Lord kills Kalanemi. Does anyone remember? I think we came across this name somewhere else. Anyone remembers Kalanemi?
Comes back as Kamsa.
Correct. So this Kalanemi is the son of Hiranyaksha, right? So in this avatara, the Lord kills Kalanemi, and this Kalanemi is then born later as Kamsa, right? So Anyway, so the Lord kills Kalanemi, and then Mali and a whole bunch of other asuras, right? And Indra then kills Bali, Jamba, Vala, Pakasura, whole bunch of other people. So if you remember the next chapter, 30, right? So the one of the first stanza was Shakrena samyati hatopi balir mahatma Shukrena jivita tanu kaduvarditoshma, right? So it says the Bali who was killed by Indra, then Shukracharya brings him to life. So this is where, so this is 29th chapter, right? One chapter previous. So here is where Indra is actually killing Bali Mahatma. And then Shukracharya brings him back to life. And then the 30th chapter Vamana Avataram happens later. So here all of them are actually getting killed, right? The important one is there's another Asura called Namuchi. So this Namuchi was a very powerful Asura who previously had almost killed Indra. And then, Indra, then the fight happened, they let him go. And then he got a boon again saying that he's not going to be killed between day and night, and also he didn't want to be killed with anything which was dry or wet. That was another condition, but anything which was dry or wet. So that's why here penena lune penena. So a weapon which was made out of foam. That's how Indra killed. And I think there is actually one temple in somewhere in Tamil Nadu where I think the Ganapati or something is made of foam. Right, so with foam, they somehow condense that foam to form something. But anyway, Indra then kills that person with a weapon made of foam, and then Naradagira Turnor Nyaruna Ranamtun. So Lord Narada comes and says, "Okay, stop all this fighting and all that," and then stop the fighting. So that fight, that portion thing ends there. So that is the end of in the whole Mohini Inca, in the not Mohini incarnation, but in the Avataram and all the nectar, Namruta Kalayarada, ellam, this ends in this stanza. So, Tvam Kalane Mimata Mali Mukhanja Ghantha, comma, Shakro Jagana Bali Jamba Valan Sapakan, Shushkardra Dushkara Vade Namuchau cha Lune, put a plus, Penena, comma. So Lune Penena with a weapon made of foam. So Shushkarda Dushkara Vade Namuchau cha Lune Penena, comma, Naradagira Nyaruno Ranam Twam.
Rajesh, is it penena or fenena?
Again, pa, the second pa. Pa. Okay, penena. A fa போட்டிருக்கு, but Hindi it is fa, but in Sanskrit faங்கிற word கிடையாது, letter கிடையாது. Tvam kalane mimatamali mukhan jaghantha shakro jagana bali jambhavalan sapakan shushkarda dushkaravade namuchau chalune penena naradagira nyaruno ranam tvam.
Tvam kalanemi mathamali mukhan jagantha shakro jagana bali jambhavalan sapakan shushkardra dushkaravadhe namuchau chalune phenena naradagira nyaruno ranam tvam. Tvam kalanemi mathamali mukhan jagantha Shakro Jagana Bali Jambhavalan Sapakan Shushkardra Dushkaravadhe Namuchau Chalune Penena Naradagira Nyaruno Ranam Tvam.
கடைசியில துவம்மா தம்மா என்னோட தம் தான் இருக்கு புக்ல
இல்ல துவம். Yeah, you, referring to the Lord here, you stopped it. You stopped the war.
Okay.
Tvam kalanemi athamali mukhan jaghantha shakro jaghana bali jambhavalan sapakan shushkardra dushkaravadhe namuchau chalune fene. Was it fenen or fenena?
Penena.
No. Penena. Okay, let me. Shushkardra dushkaravadhe namuchau chalune fenena naradagira nyaruno ranam tvam. त्वं कालनेमिम् अथ मालिमुखान् जघन्त शक्रो जघान बलिजम्भबलान् सपाकान् शुष्कार्द्रदुष्करवधेन मुचौ च लूने फेनेन नारदगिरान्यरुणोरनं त्वम्.
Shobha, நீங்க அது திரும்பி அந்த ஃபான்னு சொல்றேன், உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஹிந்தியோட
Oh,
கன்ஃபியூஷன்.
sorry. I think.
Just write a big P or something and keep there, right? Okay. 8. Yosha vapurdhanujammohanamahitam te shrutva vilokana kutuhalavan maheshah bhutai samam girijaya cha gatah padam te stutva brabhita bhimatam tvamato thirodhah. So last time I said, right, the Mohini Avataram, there were 3 reasons. One was the distribution of nectar and solving that problem. The second was to kill Bhasmasura. And the third was the union of Shiva and Mohini to form Ayyappa, right? So now that the nectar portion was done, so here, Shrutva Yosha Vapuhu. So hearing about this female form, right, that the Lord now has, right, for what? Dhanuja Mohanam, to the Mayakar, to make the Asuras, right, to trick the Asuras, the form that the Lord had taken to trick the Asuras. When hearing that, Bilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshaha, Lord Shiva now really got very, like he became very eager. He wanted to see what is this, who is this person that everybody is talking about, right? So Lord Shiva gets very eager. And so Gatah Padam The. So the Lord Shiva now goes to your abode, right? He goes to Vaikundam with Bhutai Samam, along with his Bhutagana, and Girijaya, along with Parvati also. And then he says, and then he goes there, and then he prays, saying Stutva Bravit. So praying that, he says what his desire is. His desire is that, hey, I want to see your form. So that he goes to Vaikuntham and tells that to the Lord, that I want to see the form that you have actually taken. So Yosha Vapur Dhanuja Mohanam Ahitam te. Yosha Vapur Dhanuja Mohanam Ahitam te, comma, Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshaha. Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshaha Bhutai Samam Girijayacha Gatah, and the F put go in the Visarga Pakatla, Gatah Padam te, comma, Stutva Brabhid. Stutva Brabhid Abhimatam. Stutva Brabhid Abhimatam Tvamato Thirodaha. But try to say it together as Stutva Brabhid Abhimatam Tvamato Thirodaha. Yosha Vapurdhanuja Mohanamahitam the Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshah Bhutai Samam Girijaya cha Gatah Padam te Stutva Brabhita Bhimatam Tvamato Thirodhaha.
Rajesh, எங்க நீங்க அந்த F போட சொன்னேல அந்த கதஃப் third line லயா?
Correct. Gataha irundhadhu anga. Okay,
thank you.
Rajesh, the last one line la, when you say Bravita, then you don't emphasize on ava arthada.
If you want to break it, you make it, see, Stutva, okay, Abravit it, okay, Abravit Abhimatam.
Okay.
Those are the 3 words, okay? Stutva Abravit Abhimatam. 3 word. But the change chollumbodhu you say Stutva Brabhida Bhimatam. Bhida Bhimatam.
Okay. Bravita Bhimatam. Okay.
Yeah, Stutva Brabhida Bhimatam. Yeah.
Okay. Chantama? Yosha Vapurdhanuja Mohana Mahitam te Shrutva Vilokana Kutuhalavan Maheshah Bhutai Samam Girijaya cha Gatah Padam te Stutva Bravida Bhimatam Tvamato Thirodhaha. Yosha Vapurdhanuja Mohana Mahitam te श्रुत्वा विलोकनकुतूहलवान् महेशः भूतैः समं गिरिजया च गतः पदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीदभिमतं त्वमतो तिरोधाः
योषा वपुर्दनुजमोहनं मोहनमाहितं ते श्रुत्वा कुतूहलवान् महेशः भूतैः समं गिरिजया च गतः पदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीतभिमतं त्वमथो तिरोदाह योषा वपुर्दनुजमोहनम् आहितं ते श्रुत्वा कुतूहलवान् महेशः भूतैः समं गिरिजया च गतः पदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीतभिमतं त्वमथो तिरोदाह
Right. आरामसीमनि च खन्दुक घातलीला लोलायमाननयना कमनी मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष विगलत् वसना मनोभूवेगादनङ्गरिपुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्ग. So now the Lord Shiva, right, he goes looking, and then in the garden, the Lord Shiva sees Kamani Manognya. He sees a female who's very pretty, who is playing in the garden. And then, she was like little scantily dressed. And then Lord Shiva, who is actually the conqueror of Kamadeva itself, right? He burned Kamadeva to the ground. Even Lord Shiva could not control, right? And so he, Manobhu Vega, so with the infatuation that he had, so he goes in Samali Linga. He goes and embraces the Lord, embraces Mohini. Arama Simani Cha Kanduka Ghata Leela, and put a plus there. Kanduka Ghata Leela plus Lolayamana Nayanam Kamanim Manognyam. Lolayamana Nayanam Kamanim Manognyam. Twamesha Vikshya Vigalad Vasanam Manobhu, put a plus again. Vegad Anangari Puranga. So Anangan is referring to Kamadeva, right? So Vegada Nangari Puranga Samalilinga. So the line 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4 together.
Can you, Rajesh, on the last line, can you just say that one more time?
Yeah, Vegat Anangari Puranga.
Puranga, okay.
Okay. So, but think of Vegat Anangari, Vegad Anangari together. Okay. So it's Vegat Anangari Puranga Samali Linga. Aramasi Manicha Kanduka Ghata Leela Lola Yamana Nayanam Kamani Manognyam Twamesha Viksha Vigalat Vasana Manobu Vegadanangari Puranga Samalilinga.
आरामसी मणिच कंदुक घात लीला लोलायमान नयनां कमनी मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष विगलद्वसनां वेगादनङ्गरि पुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्ग. आरामसी मणिच कंदुक घात लीला लोलायमान नयनां कमनी मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष विगलद्वसनां मनोभूवेगादनङ्गरिपुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्ग.
आरामसी मणिच कंदुक घात लीला लोलायमान नयनां कमनीं मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष विगलद्वसनां मनोभूवेगात् अनङ्गरिपुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्गः.
Linga.
Did I say aha? Okay.
Yeah, you said aha, yeah.
Okay. आरामसीमनि च कन्दुकघातलीलालोलायमाननयनां कमनीं मनोज्ञां त्वामेष वीक्ष्य विगलत्वसनां मनोभूवेगात् अनङ्गरिपुरङ्ग समालिलिङ्ग.
So last stanza. भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीमुपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्ष विकसत् परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमववात निकेतनाथ. So now, so Shiva, because he gets he gets carried away, right? He goes and embraces Mohini, and Mohini then is like running away, right? So Shiva chases Mohini, and then that's where the union of Shiva and Mohini happens. So Bhattadripa just leaves it there. He doesn't say Ayyappa is born and all of that stuff, right? So the union of Shiva and Mohini happens, and after that has happened, that's when Shiva actually and the Samayatla he had lost his thought. He didn't realize that this was the Supreme Lord itself. So once he realizes that, he then goes to Uvacha Devya. He goes to Devi, Parvati, and then talks about Tava Mahatvam, talks about the greatness of the Lord. And then here Bhattadripa says, so Tat Tadrishatvam. So you who are like that, right? You are so great that even Lord Shiva could not control himself. So that Lord, protect me, O Lord of Guruvayur. Ends this. So this is the end of the Mohini. Here Bhattadripa doesn't quite talk about and the of Ayyappa or that Bhasmasuran and all that. It just ends with the union of Shiva and Mohini in this stanza. So Bhuyopi Vidrutavatim Upadhavya Devo, comma. Vidrutavatim Upadhavya Devo, comma. Virya Pramoksha Vikasat Paramartha Bodhaha. Paramartha Bodhaha. Tvanmanitastava Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai. So Mahatvam Uvacha, you can say it as Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai, comma, Tattadrishas Twamava Vata Niketanatha. Bhuyopi Vidrutavatim Upadhavya Devo Virya Pramoksha Vikasat Paramartha Bodhaha Tvanmanitastava Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai Tattadrishas Twamavavata Niketanatha.
भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीमुपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्षविकसत्परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्तव दृशस्त्वमव वातनिकेतनाथ. भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीमुपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्षविकसत्परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै தத்தாதிருஷஸ்த்வம. இங்கதான் கொஞ்சம் இதுவா இருந்தது. त्वम् अव, ओके. तत्तादृशस्त्वम् अव वात निकेतनाथ.
भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीम् उपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्षविकसत्परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वम् उवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमवात तत्तादृशस्त्वमवात निकेतनाथ. करेक्ट. भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीम् उपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्षविकसत्परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वम् उवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वम् अव वात निकेतनाथ.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Okay, I think we can maybe do a few stanzas of the next one. 33. So the 33 is a story of it's a very famous Ambarishopakhyanam. So in the there are certain in the Kuchelar, Ambarishar, Dhruva, right? And the Mari, there are certain sprinkled in this thing of big devotees, right? Of Guru Ayappan. So Ambarisha is one such person. So we'll see, maybe cover a couple of stanzas on this. So ready, Naka, we can start. So stanza one.
Half an hour irukku innu Rajesh, innu
Yeah.
half an hour.
Yeah, we have half an hour. Yeah. No, I think you guys are doing it so well that I'm going to tak முடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Oh.
So stanza 1. Vaivasvatakyamanuputra nabhaga jata nabhaga namaka narendra sutombarishah saptarnavavrita mahidhayito pireme tvatsangishu tvaicha magnamana sadhaiva. So the Vasudeva is referring to the father of Krishna, right? Vasudeva அப்படினு சொன்னா it is referring to Krishna itself, right? So அதே மாதிரி இங்க Vaivasvatakya Manu, so the Vaivasvata Manu, right? Vaivasvatakya Manu, his son Putra Nabhaga, his name is Nabhaga, is the son of Vaivasvata Manu. Jata Nabhaga Namaka, so he had a son Jata, whose name was Nabhaga. So Nabhaga is the son of Vaivasvata Manu. Nabhaga is the son of Nabhaga. So that Nabhaga had a son called Narendra Sutaha Ambarisha. So he had a son who was a king, and that king's name was Ambarisha. So that is the lineage of Ambarisha. So Vaivasvata Manu, Nabhaga, Nabhaga, then Ambarisha. So that Ambarisha, Mai Daitaha, so he was ruling the entire world, Saptarnava Avrita, the entire earth which had 7 oceans. He was the ruler of that entire earth. And although he was the ruler of that entire earth and he had everything he wanted, right? He was Magna Mana Sadeva, always at every point in time, his heart was Reme Tvat Sangishu. So in Tvaicha Tvat Sangishu. So not only in you, Tvai, Tvat Sangishu, also in your devotees, right? So in the chapter is really about, not about, it's all about the Lord's devotees, right? How saying the devotees are more important than the Lord itself. That's why here it says, Reme Tvat Sangishu Tvaicha. Not only you, but he was also very, kind and nice towards the Lord's devotees as well. So, Vaivasvatakya Manu Putra Nabhaga Jata, put a plus, Nabhaga Namaka Narendra Sutombarishaha. Okay, so Vaivasvatakya Manu Putra Nabhaga Jata Nabhaga Namaka Narendra Sutombarishaha Saptarnavavrita Mahi Daitopi Reme, comma, Tvat Sangishu Tvai Cha Magna Manas Sadeva.
The last line திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க Rajesh.
Tvat Sangishu Tvai Cha Magna Manas Sadeva. Vaivasvatakya Manuputra Nabhaga Jata Nabhaga Namaka Narendra Sutombarishah Saptarnavavrita Mahi Dhayito Pireme Tvatsangishu Tvaicha Magnamana Sadhaiva.
Vaivasvatakya Manuputra Nabhaga Jata Nabhaga Namaka Narendra Sutombarishah Saptarnavavrita Mahi Daito Pireme Tvatsangishu Tvaicha Magnamana Sadaiva. Vaivasvatakya Manuputra Nabhaga Jata Nabhaga Namaka Narendra Sutom न वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र नभागजात नाभागनामक नरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीशः सत्तार्णवावृतमही दयितोऽपि रेमे तत्त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनः सदैव।
वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र नभागजात नाभागनामक नरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीशः सप्तार्णवावृतमही महीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनः सदैव। वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र नभागजात नाभागनामक नरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीशः सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनः सदैव।
Stanza 2. त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरात् अभृता प्रसादं येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्. So in the first line, the first stanza, they were telling, how he's a king who's ruling the entire earth and everything. So he has a lot of power, wealth, and fame and everything. But however, he says, Sakalam eva bitanvataha. So he has everything. Whatever he is performing, right? He is only doing it asya bhaktya eva. He's doing it with full devotion to the Lord. Tvat pritaye. Only to please the Lord, right? So whatever he does, even it is, narakadu, thungadu, every time, anytime, anything he's doing, he's always doing it with full devotion to the Lord, even though he has everything he wants in this world, and he's only doing it for the Lord's pleasure. So, Abrita Prasadam, so the Lord gets pleased, the Lord is very happy with everything that he is doing. So, because of that, Asya, so Yachanam Titya, even without him asking for certain things, right? He's only doing it for the pleasing the Lord. So, even without him asking for his protection, right? Abhirakshana artham, only to protect him. What? Chakram Bhavan Pravitadara Sahasradaram. So the Lord actually gives a Sudarshana Chakra to protect him. And this Sudarshana Chakra is Sahasradaram. It has got like 1,000 spokes, 1,000 pointed. Sudarshana Chakra is made available to protect Ambarishan here. Right? Ambarishan doesn't know that, but the Lord gives the Sudarshana Chakra to protect Ambarishan here. So, Tvat Pritaye Sakalam Eva Bitanvatosya, comma, Bhaktyaiva Deva Nachirat Abrithaf, put an F there. So, Nachirat Abrithaf Prasadam Yenasya Yachana Mrite Pya Birakshanartham. So, Yachana Mrite Pya Birakshanartham, comma, Chakram Bhavan Pravitatara Sahasradaram. Tvatpritahe Sakalameva Bitanvatosya Bhaktyiva Deva Nachirata Britha Prasadam Yenasya Yachana Mritepya Bhirakshanartham Chakram Bhavan Pravitatara Sahasradaram.
Rajesh, one question. On the second line, on the Nachira, on the one split pannungole.
Yeah. So Nachirat.
Okay.
When if you're breaking it into two, it becomes Nachirat Abrita. Okay. And then on the Visarga karna, you can put a F there, right?
Okay.
So Nachirat Abrita Prasadam.
Okay. Thank you.
How much?
त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृथाः प्रसादं येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम् त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिराद अमृथा प्रसादम् येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृता प्रसादं येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम् त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृता प्रसादं येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
Stanza 3. सद्वादशी व्रतमतो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं ददौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं विधन्वन् पूज्यां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्. So because he's like so devoted, he has this Ekadasi or Vratam. The Ekadasi Vratam, Ekadasi means 11, Dwadashi is 12, right? But people generally have fast on 11th day, but generally they're supposed to have fast from the 10th day. So 10th day in Aramichu, 10th day, 11th day, and then 12th day they break the fast, right? When that appropriate tithi comes. So Bhavat Archanartham, so to worship the Lord, right? Patnya Samam, who's Sumanasa. So along with his wife, who's also very religious and who's also very pious. Savarsham Varsham Dado Madhuvane. So for 1 year, Madhuvana is probably Mathura, Vrindavan and the area, right? So for 1 year, Yamuna Kante, on the banks of Yamuna, where he was, Dwadashi Vratam. He followed this Dwadashi Vratam for 1 year, which means for every Dwadashi that comes, or Ekadashi that comes, he used to fast, and he was doing it for 1 full year. He was completing it. And then when he completed this whole thing for 1 full year, Mahatim Bitanman Puja, he did a big puja, right, which is a massive puja to complete it. And then what he did was Dvijeshu Visujan Pashu Shashti Kotim. So 60 crores cows he gave as donation to all the sages and all the priests and everything, so that because they need cows for milk and ghee, so he donated all these things to them at the end of his 1 year of observing this Dwadashi and Ekadashi and Dwadashi Vratam. So which one was, yeah, so third stanza, yeah, correct, yeah. So Sa Dwadashi Vratamatho Bhavadarchanartham, comma, Varsham Dadau Madhuvane Yamunopakante Patnya Samam Sumanasa Mahatim Bitanvan, comma, Pujam Dvijeshu Visrujan Pashu Shashti Kotim. Sadvadashi Vratamato Bhavadarchanartham Varsham Dadau Madhuvane Yamunopakante Patnya Samam Sumanasa Mahatim Vithanvan Pujam Dvijeshu Visrujan Pashu Shashti Kotim.
सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्. सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्. सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
Kotim.
Oh, Kotim.
Yeah, small t. So stanza 4. तत्रातपारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे भोक्तुं वृतश्च सनृपेण परार्तिशीलो mandam jagamayamunam niyaman vidasyan. So he's concluding his the prayers on that day. So on the Samhita, there is a certain time where the Tithi is there, where he has to break his fast. So Tatra Ata Parana Dine. So on the breaking the fasting ritual is called Parana. So Tatra Parana Dine. On the day where he's supposed to consume the food and break the fast. Bhavad Archana Ante. So he worships the Lord, and after worshipping the Lord and everything, Durvasa Sasya Munina. So the sage Durvasa is coming to meet him that day. So Bhavanam Prapid. So sage Durvasa along with all his disciples and everybody come to his palace. And then Bhoktum Vritam Vritascha Nupena. So the Lord of Ambarisha, of course, invites him Durvasa for lunch, right? And along with his disciples. And on the Samhita, when you invite when they come to our house, you are not supposed to give food on Ekadashi because they're supposed to fast, right? So you don't want to spoil that and give them offer a meal on Ekadashi. But for Dwadashi, when somebody comes, you're supposed to offer them food, and you're supposed to offer the food to the guests first before you start eating. So Durvasa comes, and then and then Durvasa is invited for food, and then what Durvasa does is Mandam Jagama Yamuna. So he says, okay, I'm going to come, but let me just go finish some prayers. And then he goes to the banks of Yamuna, Mandam, in a very leisurely manner. Durvasa is going to that Yamuna. Niyaman Vidasyan, to perform whatever rites that he had to perform, right? So he's so the king is now waiting, and Durvasa is now gone to the river to perform some puja before he actually comes to have his lunch. So Tatrata Paranadine Bhavadarchanante, Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Sa Nripena Parartishilo, Mandham Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidasyan. Tatrataparanadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Sanrupena Parartishilo Mandam Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidasyan.
Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Nripena Parartishilo Mandam Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidasyan. Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Nripena Parartishilo Mandam Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidasyan.
Tatrata Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Nripena Parartishilo Mandam Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidhasyan. Tatrata Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Sarpena Parartishilo Mandam Jagama Yamunam Niyaman Vidhasyan.
Stanza 5. Rajnyata Parana Muhurta Samapti Khedat Varaiva Parana Makari Bhavat Parena Prapto Munistadata Divya Drisha Vijanan Shipyan Krudo Druta Jato Vitathana Krityam. So now the Durvasa is gone, he's leisurely performing his rites at the at Yamuna. So the king then Parana Muhurta Samapti. So it's the Parana Muhurtam, the appropriate time to get that Paranam was kind of coming to an end. The auspicious time was getting over. So Bhavat Parena, so he was very devoted to the Lord. So he was very particular about breaking his fast and then, going to complete it. So he then discusses with this, people who recommend ministers and all. They said, okay, you don't have to eat, but you have to break your fast. So what he does is, Vara eva paranam. So he just takes 3 drops of tulsi water and he drinks the 3 drops of tulsi water and breaks his fast. And then he's waiting for Durvasa. So then Praptaha Munita, then later on sage Durvasa then comes. And then Divya Drisha Vijanan, then he knows by his, like the divine insight that he has, what has happened. He knows that the king has actually broken his fast. So Kshipyan, so Durvasa then gets really angry. And what he does is, Kruda Uddhita Jataha. So Jatai, his matted hair that Durvasa has, he plucks one of the hair from his matted locks and then he puts it on the ground. And then Bitathana Krityam. So Kritya is like an evil spirit. It's like generally Kritya is like a female Rakshasi, right? And that is normally it is from the black magic nala. They can get a spirit, an evil spirit, right, to come. So the Durvasa gets angry and he plucks one of his hair, he puts it, and then an evil spirit now comes to destroy Ambarisha. That's what is happening here. This one's fine. So Rajnyatha Parana Muhurta Samapti Kedath. So next line, if you have a da, dwa, or darkum and varkum, so remove the da and make it kedath at the end of the first line. It, comma, kedath, comma. Next line becomes varaiva. So varaiva paranam akari bhavat parena. Varaiva paranam akari bhavat parena. Prapto munis tadatha divya drisha bijanan kshipyan krudot drita jato vitathana krityam. Krudot drita jato vitathana krityam. Rajnyata parana muhurta samapti kedhathe Varaiva parana makari bhavat parena prapto munistadata divya drisha vijanan kshipyan krudo drita jato vitathana krityam.
राज्ञाथ पारण मुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदात् वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्य दृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधो दोध कृदोद्धृत जटो yeah
Correct.
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृत जटो विततान कृत्याम् राज्ञाथ पारण मुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदात् वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्य दृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् धृत जटो विततान कृत्याम्. Sorry, இது கொஞ்சம் practice பண்ணுங்க.
No.
Ragyath parana muhurta samapti khedat varaiva paranamakari bhavat parena prapto munistadata divya drisha vijanan shipyan krudho dhrita jato vitatana krityam. Ragyath parana muhurta samapti khedat varaiva paranamakari bhavat parena प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदत दिव्य दृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृत जटो विततान कृत्याम्.
So Inge will stop here, file, okay. So now that the Kritya has come, so next we'll see what happens after that. So we'll end it here. Okay. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamhitam Kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Okay, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Rajesh.
Have a great Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Next week class
Happy
இருக்கா இல்லையா?
இருக்கு